here, this is our Villa window series. It's popular with many hotels and villa homeowners. This series uses 1.8mm thickness 6060 T66 aluminum profiles and 35.3mm multi-chamber PA66 nylon thermal strips. It can improve overall heat insulation. It has 3-tier structure, that is EPDM automotive-grade ceiling strips. The upgraded loop welding process further enhances the window's airtightness and service life. Moreover, we combine Signia concealed hardware with German copy handles. This offers a comfortable grip and can be used smoothly for over 100,000 times. This series can block over 80% of noise. The excellent sound insulation is an important reason why many hotels choose us. Our products have obtained NFRC thermal performance certification with a minimum U value of 0.2 and a minimum SHGC value of 0.22. We also hold AAMA 3 performance certification reaching LCPG 50A2 level. This series can be made with fixed windows, inward opening windows, outward windows, sliding doors, and more. Whether you look at the details or the overall quality, this Villa system window is your top choice.
Stay with Wellste, know more window and door knowledge.